The worst kept secret in racing has now been made official. That is Jorge Prado coming to the US and signing with the Monster Energy Kawasaki squad. And as I'm reading this, this is for a multi-year deal. He leaves MXGP with 31 MX2 victories, 18 MXGP victories, and 4 FIM Motocross World Championship titles. Obviously, he did come over and race a few rounds last year and picked up, at least he looked from my side of things. It looked like he picked it up pretty quickly and is going to be a front runner. Let's put it that way. He's going to be a competitive rider. This is not a signing that they're going to make or a move he's going to make and he's going to move over here and run in, 15th or 12th or whatever. No, this is, I'm moving over here. I'm going to start doing supercross, motocross, the whole SMX package and fighting for championships. And hopefully he does. Hopefully this does bring somebody else in. He's young, he's competitive, he's fast. This should be the next generation of Jet Lawrence, Jorge Prado, Deegan when he moves up to the 450s. That group of kids or that group of people are going to be the next 10 years of racing, hopefully. I did have a quote saying, coming to America to race supercross, motocross, and the Super Motocross World Championship with Monster Energy Kawasaki is an incredible opportunity. I've always admired the level of competition here and I'm excited to challenge myself against some of the best riders in the world. This is a new chapter in my career and I'm ready to give it everything I've got, representing a legendary factory like Kawasaki. The passion and intensity of the fans here is unmatched and I can't wait to experience that energy. He's going to be making his debut. Let's see here. Oh no, he made his debut, yeah, with Red Bull Gas, blah blah blah. So I'm assuming, A1, we should be there. Hopefully everything works out. Hopefully there's no, training crash or anything stupid that happens like that. This is just going to be a smooth transition to, I mean, for him, it's a huge change when you actually think about this. Not only going from purely motocross and MXGP, now he has to be proficient in supercross, motocross. I mean, there are some tracks like Daytona where the mix. And he's not only moving from that, he's moving from Europe or wherever he lives, wherever he based himself. I think it was, I'm not even going to try, wherever he based himself, to now the US, whole new tracks, everything that he never raced before, especially when he gets to motocross. And then you have to think on the other side of things. He's moving from Red Bull Gas, so one major sponsor and an Australian bike, to Monster Energy Kawasaki, a completely different sponsor set, a completely different bike from Austrian to Japanese. Like it's going to be a big change for him, and whether that's something he deals with well, we'll have to wait to see. Obviously, it's just going to be one of those things. How well can he do this? How well can he mesh with that bike? How well can the team build it around him or change what he wants to make himself feel comfortable on it? And hopefully he is. Hopefully this isn't one of those things he comes over here, absolutely hates the bike, does poorly, and just gets a sour taste and goes back. Hopefully this is something that is, productive and he enjoys it and he wants to come and we see some more of the MXGP crowd following suit. But this is where I leave you guys. Comments down below. You tell me. You excited for this? How well do you think he does? Anything you want to say, comments down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.